Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Snap score up fast. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Once you're in your Snapchat profile, head over to your profile icon. Once you're there, remember your profile, remember your ID name, and as you can see, my Snap score is currently 565. And as I want to increase it, so I'll show you the way. For that, first of all, head over to your account. Once you're there, go to settings, scroll down and log out. Once you have logged out of your profile, make sure to make a fake account with a temporary email, and you can use any whatever name you want for that account. And suppose I have already made this fake account of Snapchat, and I'm going to log into it. Once I'm in that account, I will just add my main account with it. Just search for peoples, and I will search with my profile name. And click on add. And once it's done, I'm heading to message myself, and I'm going to send a snap. As you can see, the snap is delivered, and now I'm going to head over to my main account by logging out from it. Once I'm logging into my main account, let me show you how the snap score gets up. As you can see, there is a message request, and I'm accepting it. Once I have accepted it, I have already received the snap I have sent from my fake account. I am tapping to view it, and once I have viewed my Snapchat, my snap, then I'm going back to my profile, and as you can see, the snap score is increased and it is 565 now. So yeah, it was easy. It's pretty easy, right? If you want your snap score to get up fast, you can use this technique and make lots of fake accounts with temporary emails and just send snaps to your main account, and thus your snap score will be up fast. So yeah, that's it. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video.